Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Today's video is in collaboration with Loreal from Clouded ByL, and I'm going to let her introduce herself.
My name is Loreal and I come from the channel Clouded ByL. I am a stay-at-home working mom of 3. I have 2 little boys and a little girl. I post motherhood. You'll also find really affordable mommy hacks and a ton of pantry organization and decluttering and of closets and sinks and things like that. I also cook dinner on Sundays just to give you a few recipes for your family. And every now and then I do a really big grocery haul and I really stock up so I'm not going out a million times with 3 toddlers, and I decorate for holidays. Pretty much all things mommy plus homemaking. So if that is your type of videos, I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So I would love if you can come over here when you're done with this beautiful mama's video and check my channel out as well. And hopefully decide to subscribe and hit that bell. And I'll see you over there. I have someone that wants to say something to you really quick though. 1 second.
Come to my mama's channel and subscribe.
Okay, you guys, that was Loreal. Make sure that you head over to her channel once you're done watching my video. Loreal has a multitude of videos on her channel. She do cooking, cleaning, organization, and also she does home renovations. So if that's something that interests you, please head over to her channel once you're done watching my video and leave her a comment down in her comment section. Let her know that I sent you. Okay, you guys, I'm starting out in my son's bathroom. First thing I'm going to do is sweep his floor. It is so much stuff and dust that's on this floor. I had a, what you call those things? An air freshener with the beads in it. I had that sitting in the window and somehow they're all over the floor. So I'm just going to make sure that I get everything up off the floor before I start doing the cleaning. If you are new or coming over from Loreal's channel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and on my channel I like to do cooking, cleaning, organization, and everything that pertains to mom life. And if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Now I'm just going to take my Microban 24-hour spray with some t-shirts that I found around the house that I wasn't using anymore. So I took those and cut those up, and that's what I'm going to use to wipe down this bathroom. So the first thing that I'm doing is spraying the toilet, and I'm going to be spraying around the base of the toilet as well. Also, you guys, you're going to see me use my steam mop, but I'm not going to use it to clean the floor. I'm going to use the attachments that came with my steam mop so that I can clean the grouts around the toilet and around the toilet area on the floor. I saw Mama Makes It Happen. Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen used this in her video. She used another kind of steamer, but after I saw her using that, I thought, wow, you know, I can use that to, you know, get the dirt and the grime from around my toilet too. So that's what I did, and thank you, Courtney, for showing us how you use your steamer. It has really been a game changer. Thank you so much. And you say, Gloria, please. This is the steamer that I'm using. It is the Bissell Power Wash Slim. I think that's what it's called. I will have it going across the screen to let you know what it is. But that's the steamer that I'm using, and that's the attachment that I'm going to put on the end to use on the towel and the grout around the toilet. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Also, leave me a sponge emoji down in the comment section. Let me know that you're still here watching. Now I'm going to go in with my Spic and Span antibacterial spray. I'm going to be using that to clean the walls, and then I will use my steamer to clean the area of the walkway, the walls of the walkway.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life, now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile, it's impossible, not melting, irresistible, when I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
I am now moving on to cleaning the mirror. The only thing that I'm using is vinegar and water mix.
I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising.
Now I'm going to put some Lysol into some water in the sink. I'm going to use that so that I can clean the vanity as well as the faucet, and make sure I get the grime from around that.
Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with
Now I'm going to get in here and get the floor all clean. I'm going to be using this multi-surface cleaner. It's basically Pine Sol that I got from Dollar General off of the dollar aisle. I'm going to use that as well as my spin mop, and I will be mopping his floor thoroughly. Okay, you guys, this video is coming to an end. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. Also, please don't forget to head over to Loreal's channel and make sure that you watch her video. Also, let her know down in the comment section that I sent you guys, and please consider subscribing to her channel. Also, you guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, make sure you subscribe. Also, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. And until next time, I will see you guys Sunday. Bye, guys.
Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that. Like you're feeling sorry.